English with Moses.
Take your English to the next level.
Welcome back, my wonderful English learners. I am so incredibly thrilled to see you here for day 7. Think about it. You have officially completed 1 whole week of this challenge. That shows amazing dedication, and you should be very proud of yourself. Today, we are tackling a super practical topic: ordering food at a restaurant. Remember the golden rules of our challenge. Do not worry about being absolutely perfect. Do not let the fear of making mistakes stop you. Just listen closely, catch the natural rhythm, speak out loud during the pauses, and enjoy every single moment of your progress, because everyday practice is the ultimate secret to speaking English with confidence. Let's get right into today's conversation. Hi, Sally. Welcome back for day 7 of our journey.
Hi, Moses. Thank you so much. I am so excited for today's topic because I absolutely love food.
Who doesn't really love good food, Sally? I guess everyone loves food. Ordering food in a restaurant can be a little stressful for beginners. Sometimes the waiter speaks very fast, and you might feel nervous.
That is so true. When I first arrived in a new country, I was terrified to order. I was always worried I would say the wrong thing. But once you learn a few simple phrases, it becomes very easy.
Exactly. You just need a basic structure. So, Sally, let's pretend we are at a nice, cozy restaurant right now. I will be the waiter and you will be the customer. Are you ready?
Perfect. Let's do it. I am ready to order.
Good evening. Welcome to the Green Garden Restaurant. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
Good evening. Yes, I think I am ready to order now. To start, could I please have a bowl of tomato soup?
Excellent choice. Our tomato soup is fresh and very popular. And what would you like for your main course?
For the main course, I would like the grilled chicken with vegetables, please. Oh, and could I get the sauce on the side, please?
Of course, no problem at all. Grilled chicken with vegetables, sauce on the side. Would you like anything to drink with your meal?
Yes, please. I would just like a glass of sparkling water. Could you please add a slice of lemon to the water?
Certainly. 1 glass of sparkling water with a slice of lemon. Would you like to see the dessert menu as well?
Not right now, thank you. Maybe later after my meal.
Perfect. I will bring your soup out in just a few minutes. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much. Wow, Moses. That was very simple and clear.
Yes. Notice how you used "I would like" and "could I have." Those are the most polite and natural ways to order anything in English. Now, let's fast forward. You have finished your delicious meal. How do you ask for the bill?
I would catch the waiter's eye, smile, and say, "Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?"
Perfect. That is exactly how you do it. Now, let's help our wonderful learners practice these essential restaurant phrases. You did a fantastic job listening to the conversation. Now it is time to active your voice and practice speaking. Listen carefully to Sally and repeat after her during the pauses. Try to match her polite tone and natural rhythm. Let's go.
Good evening, I am ready to order now. To start, could I please have a bowl of tomato soup? Our tomato soup is fresh and very popular. For the main course, I would like the grilled chicken. I would like the grilled chicken with vegetables, please. Could I get the sauce on the side, please? Would you like anything to drink with your meal? I would just like a glass of sparkling water. Could you please add a slice of lemon? Would you like to see the dessert menu? Not right now, thank you. Maybe later after my meal. I will bring your food out in just a few minutes. Enjoy your meal. Thank you very much for your help. Excuse me, could we have the bill, please? Those are the most polite ways to order. Thanks for following till the end.
And that is a wrap for day 7. You did an absolutely brilliant job today. You have officially finished the first week of your 30-day challenge. That is amazing. Now here is your daily challenge for today. Go down to the comments section below and practice ordering your favorite meal. Write down, what is your favorite appetizer or soup to start? What main course would you like to order? And what would you like to drink? I cannot wait to read your restaurant orders and reply to you. If this lesson gave you the confidence to order food in English, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps other English learners discover English with Moses. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss a single day. Thanks for watching.